Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to restart Apple Watch. So if at the end of this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. While there is no direct button to restart your Apple Watch, you can still restart your Apple Watch via two approaches. The first approach is just go ahead and press the side button and then tap the power button at the top right. Now slide to power off. Once you slide to power off, then you need to go ahead, repeat the same thing again to turn on the Apple Watch. However, that is just the normal restart. But to force restart your Apple Watch, all you need to do is you need to press the digital crown and then the side button together simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. So let's go ahead and do that. So press the digital crown and the side button together at the same time. Then you should see your Apple Watch turned off. Once it turns off, just keep holding the Apple Watch until the Apple logo appears. And once the Apple logo appears, you can now let go the buttons, and this is going to restart your Apple Watch by force, and it's going to take about 20 seconds for your Apple Watch to turn on. And once you restart your Apple Watch, it's also going to take about 20 seconds to force restart your Apple Watch. So whichever one you choose to do, that is basically going to restart your Apple Watch for you. And once your Apple Watch is turned on, you can now go ahead, type in your Apple Watch passcode if you set up passcode to unlock your Apple Watch. And that is it. So that is basically how to restart or force restart Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.